How to see WhatsApp messages without blue tick. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily read WhatsApp messages without the blue tick. So let me first explain to you guys what the ticks mean. I can go over here, tap on any one of the chat, and then type in any message. If I send the message, as you can see, the single tick means that the message is sent. Double tick means that it has been delivered. And if someone sees the message, then it will turn blue, just like so. And once someone has viewed your message, it will turn blue. And if they reply back, the message tick will turn. I'm going to show you how you can easily read a message without turning it blue for the other end. So let's say if someone sends me a message right here. As you can see here, I've gotten this message. So what I'm going to do is first turn off the airplane mode. You can also read the message from your notification panel if the previous notifications are not important to you. One other thing you can do is first turn on airplane mode, then open up the message, read through it, and before you turn it off, make sure you close WhatsApp completely, close everything out, and then turn off your airplane mode and turn back your Wi-Fi. Doing that will let you look at the message without actually turning the tick blue for the other person. One additional step you can also do is turn on notification history. Tap on the gear icon, go to notifications, and then tap on advanced settings. Go to notification history. Make sure that this one is turned on. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next